Welcome to Yabantu Resources STEM Initiative. Today, our representative will teach you how to assemble the music box in your STEM kit. Step 1. Separate and neatly lay out the pieces from the laser-cut kit sheet that we will be using to build the music box. Step 2. Attach the music mechanism to the bottom board. Lay the bottom board flat and attach the music mechanism to it with the 2 small screws. It is important to take note of the model's orientation and make sure that the metal cylinder faces forward and the crankshaft points to the right side. Step 3. Build a U-shaped box around the mechanism. Attach the right side wall. This is the side panel with the round hole for the crank. Attach the front wall of the music box to the newly installed right side wall. The front wall is the large flat panel with decorations. Now you have a U-shaped box around the mechanism. Step 4. Attach the front keyboard support shelf. This is the flat board that sits beneath the keyboard and supports the music stand later. Step 5. Attach the left side wall panel to the music box body. Ensure everything is aligned as this will lock the keyboard in place. Step 6. Attach the top roof panel. This is the lid of the piano music box. Only do this once. Everything inside turns freely. Step 7. Slide in the keyboard panel above the support shelf. This is the thin panel with lots of little slots. Step 8. Insert the music sheet and the music sheet stand into the slots above the keyboard. Step 9. Install the bottom board of the music box, with the foot pedals slotting through the opening under the keyboard. Step 10. Assemble the stool. Assemble the 4 legs and cross braces. You are building a little upside-down table. Then clip the seat panel on top. Step 11. For the final body check, turn the crank. Make sure the cylinder spins, nothing scrapes, and that sound is even.
Yabantu Resources STEM Initiative, shaping innovators, empowering futures.